Hello viewer. In this video I will explain what is CIDR notation in relating to subnetting in networking. Please subscribe to motivate us for more such contents. CIDR, which stands for classless interdomain routing, is a notation used to represent IP addresses and their associated routing prefix information. In CIDR notation, an IP address is followed by a slash and a number, indicating the length of the network prefix. The format is IP address prefix length. For example, CIDR notation 192.168.1.0/24. IP address 192.168.1.0. Prefix length 24. In this example, the 24 indicates that the first 24 bits of the IP address are the network portion, leaving 8 bits for host addresses. CIDR allows for variable-length subnetting, meaning that you can have subnets of different sizes within the same network. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to motivate us for more such contents.